Are you going to court and you're not sure when or how to address the judge? My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for about 7 years, and I want to help you make law easy by giving you some advice on when and how to address the court. You would think that it's a relative no-brainer. Just don't say anything. Let your lawyer do all the talking. There are going to be some times when you have to do some talking to the judge directly. Make sure that you do so in a respectful manner. Obviously, address the judge as your honor. If the judge is asking you questions, answer the questions as best you can, but only answer the judge's question. I've had clients before that they would go beyond what was asked of them, and they would end up actually incriminating themselves, either shooting themselves in the foot, on a family case, or actually confessing to crimes that they weren't charged with in a criminal case before. If you're unsure what to say, even when the judge asks you a question, you can always look at your attorney. Your lawyer can give you some advice on, go ahead and answer, or this is what you need to say. Just give you some pointers and kind of guide you down that road. Whatever you do, though, if you are even just the slightest bit unsure of what to say or when to say it, check with your lawyer. The worst thing that you can do 9 times out of 10 is to just go off on your own, go rogue, and start trying to talk to the judge. If you don't have an attorney and you try to talk with the judge, they're going to give you some leeway, but they're most likely going to tell you to hire an attorney. If you do have an attorney and you're still trying to talk with the judge, they're probably going to stop you and tell you to consult with your attorney. That's what we are here for. I had a case a while back that thankfully I wasn't the lawyer that this happened to. It was the other side. Kept trying to argue with the judge back and forth after some basic questioning about some potential drug use in this woman's home that the children had disclosed to the judge. And so the judge was asked like a couple of questions to the opposing party about it. And rather than just simply ask those questions and zip it, she kept trying to justify her actions. She kept trying to argue with the judge. She kept trying to push it and push it and push it until the first time and the only time in my legal career when I've heard an attorney look at his client and go, "Will you shut up?" If you're at the point where your attorney is saying that to you in open court, I can tell you, you have probably gone a few steps too far. Much, much better to just rein it in and let your attorney help you out with that. If you have questions about what to do when you're in court, it is always best to check with your attorney and make sure that you guys are on the same page for how they want you to proceed. If you've got court coming up and you don't have an attorney and you're needing some help and you might need some guidance, please feel free to give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead with Worth Law Office, and I'm here to help you make law easy. Thank you.